waking up 5 a.m. when the city's asleep. Don't know where to begin. The duty's call. It's much bigger than us. The wise man used to say, show your country how brave you can be for. Soon he'll have no choice. He'll go there, stand with boys. Since they were young, they were told that's their fate. So he'll take the khaki. He'll take the khaki. He's gonna start playing their game, and he can keep on pretending he could get driven insane, or he could patiently wait. Oh, he could just change who he is, or he could just stay the same, but he will take the khaki. Ya te patrida calvi. They are given the guns, they are given commands, they are here to man, spread the hate. You're the pride of the land, this will make you a man. You will always be under the weather. Far away from home, he does not belong. 9 months or 12 he's obliged to serve, so he'll take the khaki. He'll take the khaki. He's gonna start playing their game, and he will keep on pretending he could get driven insane, or he could patiently wait. Oh, he could just change who he is, or he could just stay the same, but he will take the khaki. Be prepared, report and swear, take the oath and keep us safe. We are going to sleep with our windows wide open.